sauce, aka Ivan in your mouth, aka your neighborhood's best mechanic, aka in the world. And we are doing a rear brake job and a rear speed sensor on a 2015 Dodge Charger. So first, of course, you want to get the wheel off and out the way. And the next thing you want to do is you want to loosen this 13mm bolt down here on the bottom. And you might need a pair of vice grips because the locking nut likes to spin a lot of the time. So we're going to do that real quick. Oh yeah, check out the Harbor Freight Special, you know what I'm saying? Cordless Impact 3/8. Get the job done. Take your bolt out and just swing the caliper up. And you can pull them pads right on out. Look at all that. Okay. Pull the pads out. Boom. Take the pads out. And you're gonna want to clean the shims. You can either clean them or replace them, but I like to just clean them and re-lube them, because a lot of times the aftermarket shims make noise because they don't always fit right. So we're just going to reuse the old ones and lube them up real good. New Wagner pads, thermoquats, and we're just going to put a little anti-seize on them. Gonna lube the ears of the pads to keep the pads from making noise when you hit the brakes. Lube it on up. Lube the ears, because if you don't, it might hurt your ears, you know what I mean? Boom, second pad, bow. You know what I mean? Get a nice coat up there. You also want to lube the shims too. That also helps, just a little bit. Each one. Alright. Slide the pad in. That. Same with the back pad. Slide it in like that. Now, on the caliper, you got a piston that comes out that squeezes on the pads. Now you need to push this piston in, and we got a special tool for that. One of these. Got the dual pump, you know what I'm saying? Dual pump piston compressor. We're gonna use it for the single piston. We're just gonna line it up like this, and we're gonna squeeze. We're gonna press it in. Release it. Boom. Piston's in. Slide the caliper back down. Put your bolt back in. And you ready to roll? Just tighten the bolt up. Grab your vice grip. And boom, you just saved 15% by switching to Geico. It's like you just save money on your brakes, but that's even better. And that's it. Just put the wheel back on and tighten all the lug nuts and you good.